Quick question. Do you know how to vote in Yolo County?
No, I don't.
Yes.
No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
No.
No.
No worries. Here's what you need to know. Registration begins May 18. Early voting starts May 23rd, and Election Day is June 2nd. If you forgot to register, same-day registration begins May 19. In Yolo County, 18 to 30-year-olds account for about a quarter of the population, yet in 2024, only 15% were registered to vote. I'm Jade Pinter, and I'm partnering with the Department of Sound and the Yolo Community Foundation. Your voice matters, and your vote can change the game.